Hello everyone, I am Agam and welcome back to my channel Agam's Tech Tricks. So today's video is just a desktop customization video, and Windows isn't that customizable by default. So while searching for something like unique to customize, I found this tool called Rainmeter. So what it does is basically adds helps in adding skins, which are like basically widgets on the desktop. And after trying this, I also found a widget called as Droptop 4, which basically looks like a kind of a macOS menu bar. So here I tried this and it was great. And even I got some macOS like widgets known as Monterey widgets, and then many more things. So I tried to customize my desktop and here's the output. Looks cool, right? So let's start. I'll show you today how to make your desktop look like this. So for that, you need a Rainmeter first installed, and so just download it. I'm on Windows 11 and it should work on Windows 10 as well. So just open it, continue the installation, and then run Rainmeter. Just click the finish button. After that, you will get the widgets, and just unload these because we don't need these right now. Right click and unload. Okay, so Rainmeter is installed successfully. Now we go on installing the Droptop 4, which is basically the main thing we require for the menu bar. So I'll give you this link for the basic version of Droptop 4. What you have to do is click here to download Droptop, and it will download the latest basic version available. Just click on it. And here it's downloading. After it's downloaded, just open it, click on it normally, and here you will see a Rainmeter skin installer, and then this, and on all the included components. Just let it be whatever it is default, and click on install. Next up, just minimize it so that the we'll see whenever it loads the widget. So here, this is the setup screen of Droptop 4. We'll continue and select your language. I am choosing with English. Now here's the things, it will Droptop will auto hide after some time, or it will always show on all windows. It will not overlap, but it will just take the space permanently, and desktop only, it will only show when you are on desktop, and whenever you maximize a window it won't show. Then I'll go for always show Droptop. Again, if you want a mail integration with your Droptop, so you can just enter your username and password of Gmail, and for this is a reason for your security, Google requires a unique password, so you can just click on generate a password and then enter this one here. Now next is your weather location, so you can just go on and add here anything. I won't be adding anything right now. So, and here you can enable if you want the weather in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you disable this, it will be in Fahrenheit, or else it will be in Celsius. I'll go with Celsius. Next up, there's a home button. Just like I showed the output, there was a Windows button there. So for now I will go with this one. You can choose whatever. Next is the size. So this is the small one, medium and large. I'll go with small one. It fits my screen very good. Next is color option. If you want to match your color, or if you want to look at default, I'll just go with default. Next is basically here's the paid version of Droptop. Not really paid, but you can donate for it. So yes, if you want to get it, get the supporter version, and it will launch the supporter version link in the browser. It didn't, I don't know. So I'll just here. Okay, after finishing it did. Here is it. So as the supporter version, you will get more icons, additional toolbars. It would be good if you buy it if you want to support the developer. So yes, I'll skip this right now. So here's the tutorial. Next step. And then finished. After that, to customize this, and we have like finally got this. So to customize this, right click the Windows button, and for the setting the home icon, you can choose any. These are the free ones, colored one or white one. Okay, I'll go with this, the what we have chosen earlier. Then the theme of the title bar. This is menu bar. This is the default. The color match, as I showed you before, like it matches the color. And then we have Big Sur also. So I'll just apply this because it looks actually good. So here like it blends, not a bit. So here we get the color of the wallpaper. And then we also have transparent, like it totally becomes transparent, or this code theme. I don't know the preview. So okay, I went with Big Sur, and then you can go with the color and opacity. There are many options available in this, like change mode whenever you want to auto hide or something. This comes in options. Then after you auto hide, there's the delay or speed, and then the size setting, like if we want to increase the size of it, and then right click options, size setting, and you can just make it to 100 if you want it as default. Then we have the menu options, whatever you want to do. We can also change the font, the shape, blur effects, we can turn it on or off, and then the shadows, then the icons if we want to hide, or advanced submenu. Then there are many options. You can change the username as well, and then many things. Then comes the folders, like whatever you have in here. You can just edit anything and add anything here, whatever you want, or just delete anything. So where we were, yes, pinned apps, and then we can change the folder location, or we can just okay, the first of all we can rename it. Then again there's a games folder, we can just change, like customize it whatever we want. I'll show that how to customize the things in the folder also. Then we have the app settings, like according to the specific apps that lie here, so we can change the settings for that. And then community apps, like if you want to enable them or disable them or even get more. Then in the support, the plugin creators, etc., etc., there's everything. Then the Droptop public beta, and then change language, like whatever change you want. Now comes to the customizing the folders. So you can just right click on it. Like normally we click on it, we see the items in the folder, here also, and by right clicking on it, we can get the folder settings, like rename, and then open the folder location, and here you can just customize whatever you want. So I had already customized it before, so it just reapplied the settings. So for example, if I delete these, and here, so in the pinned apps, we'll get this. And if you want to add something from the app, so if you want to create your self shortcut, then don't worry. Like now if we want to add something from apps, just go to the app menu and go to all apps. Just drag something and drop here. It's there. You can open it. Yep, it's open normally. So like this you can, or if you want to even enable or disable a folder, just right click it. And for example, if I want to disable this custom folder, I can just right click and click on the custom folder, which is actually in white text. And again, I don't want the places, so I can just disable it. I don't even want the games, so again, you can just do whatever you want. In the pinned apps, I already show you. Then here on clicking this button, we also get the Droptop settings, the start menu if you want to enable from here, like open it, then lock, sleep, shutdown, etc. Now here, so this is the action center which opens all the notifications, and then the time. Now if you want it to look like Mac OS, the time, so you can just right click it and time app options. This is how you can change the options in any app we have there. So here just click on time app options, change time formats, and here click on this and just click anywhere outside. And like here also we have many things, you can do whatever you want. So if we want to disable or enable an app, like here, if I want to disable this action center, I can just click on this and it will be gone. Again, I don't need search also. Then again, as I don't have the mail integration, so I can just disable it. Or if you want, you can enable it. Then we have the weather. And if I don't want this community app, for example, like you can enable something also, like if I want the recycle bin, it will open the recycle bin. And then I like, if you want app drawer, you can keep it here, or else you can just like disable it again. It's totally dependent on you, whatever you want to do it. Like here's, I have the recent files now and everything. So this is with the menu bar. Now comes the widget I had shown you here, the time one. So for that, there is a widget called Monterey Rainmeter. I'll just show you here. Transparent blur theme. You can actually add whatever widget you want. I just showed my customization, like whatever I like. So here we have the clock, calendar, music, weather, monitor, volume, notes, reminders, and timers. And we can also change the size of each of them. And then we have the colors, and as the README says, they have the support for 4 languages. So we can just click on the releases and click on this RM skin file and to download it. After it's downloaded, just open this and install. Like whatever its default, just keep it and install. You can minimize this if you want. So here, this is the welcome screen, and wherever you can control it. So in the widgets, we have the clock one. Like I had enabled the clock one, so you can just go with it. If you want to enable any monitoring, for example, now here's the monitoring one, and like this. But I don't really want this, so disable it. Now here I have the clock one. You can close this. Everything's done. Basically, this is extra if you want to update the theme, sidebar mode, etc., and then appearance, like the dark or light mode, and then the if you want a custom color as the background or blur, I would go with blur. Then the language of the app, and then the battery, like battery power mode, like saver, and then support and about, etc. So our work is done, and if you want to get back to that screen, just right click it and edit widgets. If you want to edit this clock widget, just right click in and you can do this. Like I want 12-hour format, so save. Now bring this wherever you want. I'll tell you how to center it later, and just edit this, edit clock. Okay, I've already done this. Just make it wide so that we get this number like that. So now to make it in the center by default, like exactly center, and whenever you are doing this, so just go to this bar and then right click on the Rainmeter and click on manage. Here we come. So in Monterey, in the widgets, we have the clock widget, right? So we can just like I chose the wide one. You can do the same for any other widget, like if you want to make it in the center. So if we have this wide one, unload, refresh, edit, we have to basically edit it. And here under Rainmeter, we have to under the left mouse double click action, we have to just enter one line. I'll give you in this description. So basically what it will do on the refresh action, it will set the widget in the center whenever the it is refreshed. So like if you want to move it manually later also, you can just edit it and remove this line, or like on every refresh action, it will just automatically go in the center, like however you move it. And after saving that, refresh, it's in the center. Again, if you want to edit it, and if you like move it everywhere also, it will just refresh wherever you want, like it will go in the center. Again, if you refresh anything, and the clock white, refresh, it comes in the center. So our desktop customization is like half of the part is complete, and now the remaining part is just the taskbar. So to make it like that, we just need two apps. One is TranslucentTB and the other is RoundedTB. TranslucentTB is not really required. It's just that if you want to like adjust the blur or acrylic level of the taskbar, but it's not really required. It's optional. I'll still show you how to do that. Here, open the Microsoft Store. First of all, to make that taskbar like rounded, install this app, RoundedTB. I'll give you the link in description also, or you can just manually go and search and then install it. Okay, it's completed. Now just open it, and then like you can close the Microsoft Store. Here's the welcome screen and click on OK. So to achieve that type of taskbar which I had enabled, click on advanced, turn on dynamic mode and show system tray on hover. If you want to show the system tray permanently and just remove this area, then you can turn this off and enable show system tray, otherwise show system tray on hover, like I have that. And just then apply. So here we have, and whenever I will hover here, I'll get the system tree. Or if I just want to show it permanently, I'll get it here. Or if you like want to permanently hide it, you can just disable this and it's gone. But I would prefer to keep it on hover, so okay. Next, if you want to customize the transparency level or blur level of it, the taskbar, then you can install the TranslucentTB app. But before that, to enable the support of TranslucentTB with RoundedTB, you can just click on TranslucentTB compatibility, and this will make the taskbar compatible with TranslucentTB along with RoundedTB. So just apply it and close it. After that, install the app. Again, I'll either give you the link or you can just manually install it from the Microsoft Store. TranslucentTB. Here's the app. Just install it. Here it's installed. Again, you can open it. So like by default, it just made my it's transparent, and again it says it's live within the system tray. So like if you want to enable the action center here, you can, like depends. So open the action center here, not really the action center, like yes. So and here's the RoundedTB app. If you want to right click and customize anything, just show it. Or if you want to customize the TranslucentTB, right click it, and then comes the desktop. If you want something different when you are in the desktop, or something different when a window is visible or when a window is maximized, you can do anything like customize it. Just enable it and then you can change it. But I'll just go with desktop one because I would like a same thing for all the things, like whatever is happening. So here it's clear currently, like no background. So I'll just click on acrylic, like this makes it little with the background. So it is default. I would like to prefer it to make it dark also, so just desktop and then click the accent color. This is the transparent, like most of the transparent. Then just turn it up to make the background little dark. Here if you make it full, it will be just totally dark, like then it's no use. So here, like it's now dark enough. Yes, we can just enable it a bit. It depends on whatever your needs are. You can also change the color of it, like if you want to make it little red, and this just oh, it didn't go red, I don't know. So yes, whatever, you can just change it. Here's the color scheme, and here's the, if you want a custom RGB or HSV like you want to enter, and then just click take. So here we have achieved our desktop customization, and like whenever you open a window, it looks like this here and all the apps, and you can just, so here we have finally done it. And for the wallpaper, I'll give you the link in the description. There are also many other wallpapers like which look good with it. And now if you want to uninstall it, so basically you'll have to first uninstall Rainmeter and then the two apps we downloaded from Microsoft Store. I'll just show you once. So you can just uninstall, like add or remove programs, or you can do it from the control panel. I prefer it from the control panel. And then here just search for Rainmeter and then click uninstall. This will auto uninstall all the widgets also which we have installed. If you want to like completely remove all personal settings and file, just uninstall it. It will take some time. And in the same time while it's uninstalling, oh okay, it's done. Then just close it. Now here, just click on the Windows and search first of all for TranslucentTB and uninstall it. And then RoundedTB and uninstall it. Okay, and then close it also for now. It's hidden low. It should work. if you get something like it won't, so you can just go to Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer and restart. So we are back. And we're back to our default like layout of Windows, and this was the installation process. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also you can join my Telegram channel for news, etc. Thank you.